Hello friends, welcome back once again. Now we're going to work on the ebook version of our book, okay? So the ebook format, we're going to be arranging it now. So there is a particular software designed by Amazon KDP themselves with which you can edit or format your ebook version to meet up to their own standard. Okay, they have already designed the software that after arranging your work there, it is automatically up to their standard. Okay, so that's what I use and I recommend it to you as well. Let's get to business, guys. The name of this software is Kindle Create. I'll attach the download link to the description of this video. So we're going to launch it by clicking it twice. As you can see, I've done a number of jobs here. So as a first time user, you click on create new. After some seconds, it will take me to this page. Then I click choose file. Okay. Now it will direct me to my file manager where I will select this published, the doc format now. So when you select it, it's going to open this page that shows importing. This takes a couple of seconds or minutes. Import successful. Now click on continue and then click on get started. It will open the book. So let me scroll down, but we are going to delete all these because here is a different game altogether. First of all, let me shift these suggestions down so I can show us something. There's a suggestion at the left hand panel, so I'm going to shift it down to show us something. This is the title of our book, right? So I'm going to highlight it now. Then if you look at the left hand side also, you will see where is written front matter. So I'm going to click on this front matter. Then we see the options title page. So I'll select the title page. Then in the title page, I will paste this book title and fill in the other information for this title page, okay? After filling in this information, the book title, book subtitle, and the author name, just leave the publisher vacant and every other thing. If you have a logo, you can attach the logo. Then the Kindle Create software will automatically generate a title page for us. Let's watch this, guys. Okay, now click on create page. This is the title page, guys, automatically generated for us. Now I'm going to click on the front matter once again so that we generate the next front matter page. That's the copyright. So I'll click on copyright. It brings us this page where we can edit copyright owner. You fill in your name or your pen name here, okay? Now you fill in the year of publication. Mine is 2023. Now the next is the all right reserved text. Okay, I have a template for this. I'm going to be visiting my email because I saved the copyright format somewhere in my email. So I'll copy it, then come back to Kindle Create. I will highlight everything in this all right reserved box. I will highlight everything and then paste the new content I copied from my email. Now I'm going to edit the pen name and then the publication year. Now we'll scroll down at the end of this text and add our ISBN number. I'll be visiting our doc file for this ISBN number. That's the number here. I will copy it, then come back here and paste. Please, this copyright text should begin with the all rights reserved, okay? The initial text will automatically appear. Let me create this page to show us what I mean. You can see that we have the copyright here, we have the year, and then the pen name automatically updated. Click on Ctrl S. Let's save this file. So the name is, let me use Power of Having Fun ebook. Then click on Save. Now we come back to our work, okay? So I'll click on the front matter again. Let me add the next front matter page. I think that should be dedication. It will take me to the dedication text box page. Then I'll go and copy the text for dedication and paste here. Scrolling down, I think we have dedication here. So I'll be clicking on the next page button till I get to the dedication page. That is it here. So I'm going to copy the text here, click on front matter again, and then paste this under dedication. After which I'll click on create page. It's a kind of automatic process. Now I'll visit the front matter again. I've done the title, copyright, dedication. I don't use epigraph, okay? Table of contents happens automatically, so I don't put preface as well. So I will jump straight to introduction, okay? I will click on introduction now. Using the next page button, I will locate introduction and copy the contents under introduction. Then I will go back to front matter, open introduction again, and paste the content under introduction. This is the introduction text box, okay? So I will highlight the sample text here and paste our introduction. From time to time, be clicking on Ctrl X to save your works, okay? Now let me open the front matter to check if there is anyone we haven't done. Okay, I think we are good to go. Now I will shift this suggested content to one side. Let's visit the back matter and do justice to that section too. The back matter is located downwards in this same left side panel. Okay, so we'll go down and locate it. This is it here, guys. So I will click on it to see some of the options we have here. We have books by the author, about the author, books in this series, proof for the author, epilogue, and all that. Okay, so I just choose some of them. Let's start from about the author now. Here you fill in the author name and then description. Okay, I think I've saved some of this information somewhere. I'll equally go and copy them, then come back here and paste. It's just as simple as that. If you want to insert your image, you can upload it here, but if not, it's still fine. Just go down and click on create page. This is about the author page, guys. This is how it looks. I will go back to back matter again and then add acknowledgement. I just scrolled up to where I have this acknowledgement. So I'm going to copy the text now, go back to back matter and paste it under acknowledgement. From time to time, you click Ctrl S to save. Now, check the body of the work. You'll observe that we still have introduction, dedication, acknowledgement, about the author, and stuff like that. Okay, they were uploaded from our original file by default. Okay, but here we have special front matter and back matter pages for these sections. Now we are going to delete them from the body of our work. Let me start with introduction. Remember, we have introduction in the front matter. So I will highlight this introduction and then delete them from the body of our book. Right now, the introduction is out. So I will go up and then also remove the acknowledgement from the body of our work. After highlighting a text, just click on backspace to delete it. Going up further is our content. I'm also going to delete this because we have a special page at the front matter for content. The table of contents is automatically generated in the front matter under content. Okay, if I open this, you're going to understand what I'm talking about. Just look at it here. From the arrangement of subheadings in the body of the work, it's going to automatically pick these subheadings and list them under the table of contents. It's an automatic process. If this auto suggested table is okay by you, you click on OK. Then you have this. This works like a hyperlink. If you click on any of these items, it takes you to the particular page where it exists. This is the very standard Amazon KDP prefer their ebooks. So this Kindle Create makes the whole work very easy for you. If I click on dedication, it takes me to dedication. These arrows help us to navigate to the next pages or the next sections. So the table of contents is automatically set. We are not working on this anymore. I'll continue with removal of duplicate contents. The dedication exists in the body of our work, so I'm going to remove it because we have it already at the front matter. This content as well, I'm going to clear it out because we have an already arranged content in the front matter. Just highlight, click on backspace to delete all these. Body of our work should begin with this chapter 1. What is fun? Going up further should be entering our front matter. That's the introduction, then the content, the dedication, copyright, and then the title page. Now click on this preview button. This is a view of what our book will look like on a tablet, okay, in a portrait mode. With these arrows, we can navigate to the next page or to the previous page. By clicking on this drop down, you can select another device, like to preview this using another device. So this is how mobile phone users will view our book. We can as well check out the Kindle ebook reader. So for those making use of the Kindle ebook reader, this is what our book will look like. I will close the preview and then quickly go through this whole work from beginning to the end. Okay, everything is in order. Let me go back to back matter and then select books by the author. In this particular section, I'm going to add all other books I've written, making use of the pen name Martin's Real. For this purpose, I'll be visiting my Amazon KDP bookshelf. We already know how to get here. Now I will scroll down. The first on this list is the book I wrote on pornography and masturbation. Then I'm going to copy this title, go back to Kindle Create and paste it as the book title. I will equally go back to copy the subtitle. It says freedom from the chain of pornography and masturbation. This sex health is a very interesting niche, okay? I mostly write on engineering related topics, but anytime I write on a niche like this, I mostly use the pen name Martin's Real. So I type in the subtitle here, after which we'll be going to get the Amazon store link. To get the Amazon store link of any book, click on View on Amazon, then click on US. It will take you to the Amazon store. Okay, now highlight the web address and copy it. Then come back to Kindle Create and paste it in this box. I will equally go back to the Amazon store to copy the description of this book. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the description. I will simply copy it, then come back to Kindle Create and paste it there. To add more books, just go to number of books and increase it by 1, okay? Then you follow the same process, go to Amazon website, copy information about all the books written with this particular pen name, then you come back and paste. It's just that simple. After doing this, you come down, click on update page. So this is what it looks like. This page contains all the books written by this author. Okay, you can see the format. If I click on any of this link, it will take me to the Amazon website. But there is no need for that. Okay, we'll come back to Kindle Create. You can see the whole page and how beautiful it looks. Remember to press Ctrl S from time to time to save your work. Once again, I will go through the entire work, after which I'll click on export to save the KPF version of this file. That's the particular one we'll be uploading on KDP website for ebook publishing. So I'm going to save it as Power of Having Fun KPF. Always take note of the particular folder you exported your file for easy identification and then location. The two things we need to do now are going to Canva and designing book cover for this ebook version, then going to Amazon KDP website to publish the ebook version of our work. So let's go to Canva, guys, and then design book cover for our ebook format. We all know the website canva.com, so I will launch the website now. This time around, I'll be making use of the search box there. I will search for book cover, that's ebook cover. When you hit your enter key, you will see a number of templates. So I will click on create blank ebook cover. This is our workspace, guys. I will go to the search bar now and type font. If I type font, I will enter. Then I will check some of the templates related to font. Let me select this particular one and check. Okay, it has some premium elements here, so we are not going to use this very one. Let's look for another one. I think I found another one. I will just select it, then add some of the information on this particular work to my own test. Okay, I will delete this picture here, then I'll go back to the search bar and type in font again. I want to locate the very picture we used on our paperback book cover front page. Okay, that is it here. I will bring it down and then spread it to occupy this particular region. I think of employing a circular picture frame, just like we had in the front page of our paperback book cover. So I will go over to the search bar and search for frame. Let's try this very one with kind of zigzag outline. I will bring it to my workspace and then fit this picture into the frame. Just watch, I'm going to do this. Once you move a picture towards a picture frame, the picture is automatically going to assume the shape of that frame. That's how it works. Okay, let me adjust this picture a little. Like I will always say, there is no fixed pattern of doing this. Okay, it's all about being creative, and then we all know what is beautiful, right? So just try to do something that looks attractive to you. Now let me edit the text. I'll click on this and add the title of our book, The Power of Having Fun. The text background is too big, so let me resize it a little. I'll be going to graphics. Let me look for that demarcator we used while designing our paperback book cover. That is it here, guys. So I'll bring it up now and then spread it out almost to the ends of this workspace. Then I will change the color to black. Next, I add my subtitle, How to Live a Happy Life. Now I'll move it right below the demarcator. I will increase the font a little and then change the color to white. We all know how to do this. There is an author name already on this template. So what I'm going to do is to bring it down and then edit it and type in my own name there, Martin Cyril. Now I'm going to get the square shaped element. I will use it to create a different background for my subtitle text. So I'm going to resize this element and then place it on my subtitle text. You know, the subtitles font color is white and we have a kind of green background. So we need a dark background to boost the white color. Now I will change the color of this element to black and then place it on top of my subtitle text. Let me bring down this subtitle a little in a way I feel is going to look better. You know, what looks good for me may not look good for you. So you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing and then following the exact steps I'm taking, okay? What you should be concerned about is understanding the different sections we have on Canva and then the function of each of these sections, just that. Okay, I think we are good to go. Now I'm going to export this file by clicking on share, then clicking on download. So when you click on download, you select the PNG drop down. The ebook format requires JPG version. Then you click on download. There's a little challenge here. It says our design contains premium content. Okay, so they want us to pay for some of the contents in this design, and we are not ready for that. So I'll go back and delete all these curvy lines, all these lines. So they are the premium content they are talking about. So I will simply delete them and then try downloading again. Click on share, click on download, click on the PNG drop down, select JPG, and then click on download. So the downloading is going on right now. The design has been saved. Now let's visit the Amazon KDP website to publish our ebook. On this particular book, The Power of Having Fun, you can see create Kindle ebook. Click on the create Kindle ebook. It's going to take us to this page where we can edit or fill in the ebook contents. Okay, so this particular pages has been pre-filled with the information we filled when we are creating our paperback. All we need to do is to scroll down, click on save and continue. Then it will take us to the next page. This is the ebook content page. I will leave the all rights option vacant, then click on upload ebook manuscript. This will take us to the file manager. Then I will go and locate that KPF file we exported on Kindle Create. That is it here, The Power of Having Fun. So I will click on it and open. So it will begin to upload. It will take some seconds depending on how strong your network is. Okay, save successful, processing your file. Now come to book cover. Click on upload a cover you already have. Click on upload your cover file. Now we're going to download we're going to locate the design we made on Canva. Okay, so that is it, The Power of Having Fun. You click on it, click on open, and it will begin to load. Look here guys, we have some challenges. So it says we made use of an invalid dimension for the book cover design. Okay, so don't panic, we're going to take care of this. Look up here guys. This very information is from the Amazon KDP guideline page for ebook cover designs. The error we just encountered hovers around this particular section. It says that the minimum dimension should be 1000 pixels in height and 625 pixels in width, while the maximum dimension shouldn't exceed 10,000 pixels in height and width. Okay, so we are going back to Canva right now, and we are going to manually input the dimensions to fall within that range. Okay, the minimum is 625 by 1000, while the maximum is 10,000 by 10,000. Remember, it's in px now, not inches. Let me use 1000 by 2000. 1000 for the width and then 2000 for the height. After this, as usual, you click on create new design. So it's going to bring us to the workspace. Please, I'm going to repeat exactly what we did the first time, so there is no need of videoing it again. So I'm just going to make the same design here. So I'm quickly going to pause this video, just do exactly what we did while making our first design, and then come back to Amazon KDP and continue with our publishing. This is the design guys. It's just the same design but with a new dimension. Okay, so I'll click on share now to save this file. We already know how to download a design on Canva, so make sure that it's in JPG format. Okay, so we download this file now, then go back to Amazon KDP and continue with our publishing. This was the exact stage we made the challenge. Now click on upload your cover file again. This time around we're going to upload the just concluded design, not the first one but the last concluded design. So we'll upload it now. Let's see what we're going to get. Good, is successful this time, no error message. I'm seeing spell check notification, but I'm sure there is no spell check error. But let's just click on view them and see what they will show us. You see, immediately I clicked on it, the spell error notification disappeared. But if there were really errors, it would have shown us, okay? Now I will scroll down and click on launch preview. This is exactly how readers will be seeing this when they purchase our book, okay? You can use the right and left keys on your keyboard to navigate to the next and previous pages, okay? This is our table of contents. Let me just touch on chapter 1 and we'll see what happens. What is fun? It will automatically take us to the page of this chapter. What is fun? When you are done with the previewing, you can click on the back button, then continue with the publishing. If you scroll down, you're going to see ISBN. Okay, it's optional. If you want to fill this, you fill it, but if you don't want, you skip it, then click on save and continue. Now we are brought to the pricing page. Leave every other thing as it is, then scroll down and change the royalty plan to 70%. Then for the price of our ebook, we'll go and check the price of the original ebook we are modeling after. Then we'll come back and set ours to something lower. Okay, the Kindle ebook format is $8.99 for the original book, okay? So I can set mine to $6.99, or better still, let's make it $7.99. After setting the price, just scroll down and click on publish your Kindle ebook. After some seconds, we're going to be taken to another page, and hooray guys, is another congratulations. Our book is now available in ebook format. If you scroll down, you're going to see in review for the ebook format, but live for the paperback format. So these are all books I've published, okay, and I'm earning from these books. It's just as simple as that. You too are gonna earn from your own books as well. There's no magic. Just follow my steps. In the next slide is a congratulatory email telling us that the ebook we just uploaded is now available in the Kindle store. So buyers can purchase the ebook format and I make my money. So far, I've not made any kind of promotion or advertisement, yet I've been making sales. But if you wish to learn how you can promote your books on Amazon, I'm going to show you how to do this in the next video.